That front gate isn't just an entrance. It's the first sentence of your home story, the quiet promise of luxury, warmth, and craftsmanship before you even step inside. Walking up to this gate feels like arriving at a quiet sanctuary where the rich teak wood glows under the soft morning sun and the smooth stone pillars anchor everything in calm elegance. The way the gate slides silently into its pocket makes the entrance feel unhurried, almost intimate, and the reflections on the wet pavers add a gentle sparkle that makes the whole approach feel special, almost like a gentle welcome into a private world. Standing by this gate is like being wrapped in a warm embrace of modern design and natural light, the pale wood and frosted glass panels softly filtering the sun into the courtyard with a gentle glow. The side-angle view pulls you deeper into the space, making the clean lines of the structure feel both strong and inviting, and the quiet rhythm of sunlight and shadow across the gravel and olive tree planter makes the entrance feel alive yet peaceful. When you stop at this gate, everything feels thoughtfully balanced. Warm mahogany wood layered against cool concrete, the low-profile hardware barely visible, yet perfectly precise. The straight-on view creates a sense of calm order, as if the entrance itself is quietly assuring you that the home beyond is equally serene, and the way the daylight spreads evenly across the timber and stone makes the space feel grounded and deeply comforting. Looking out through this gate from the courtyard feels like peering into another world. The diagonal slats of the teak would frame the driveway and the distant trees in a soft, rhythmic pattern of light and shadow. The warm tone of the gate contrasts gently with the muted brick and greenery, and the overhead daylight wraps everything in a soft, even glow that makes the entrance feel like a gentle transition between private and public spaces. That close-up angle near the corner of the gate makes you notice the quiet luxury in the details. The smooth matte finish of the black-stained ash, the thin band of polished brass that catches the light like a secret highlight. The surrounding gravel and topiary are softly lit, with long, clean shadows that quietly emphasize the gate's geometry, and the whole moment feels like discovering a small, refined moment of calm before stepping into the rest of the home. Approaching this tropical gate feels like stepping into a warm, sun-dappled story. The dark green cedar slats let filtered glimpses of the driveway and palms peek through, as if the gate is whispering pieces of the world beyond. The crushed shell driveway glitters under the bright sun, and the textured wood and stone seem to hum with heat and light, making the entrance feel both bold and soothing at the same time. From up above, this gate feels like part of a quiet composition where the light oak herringbone panels and the dark concrete form a calm, almost meditative pattern. The overhead light washes the gate and driveway in a soft, even glow, and the way the gate partially opens pulls your eye toward the path ahead without feeling rushed, as if the home is gently guiding you forward with patient grace. When you pause at this classical gate, the dark Iroko wood and slender brass strips feel like details from a slower, more considered time, the kind of craftsmanship that makes you want to touch the surface. The partly open panel lets a sliver of the driveway slip into view, and the soft daylight wraps the stone-clad pillars and neatly trimmed hedges in a gentle warmth that makes the entrance feel both grand and deeply personal. Standing beside this low-profile gate, the pale ash slats and smooth steel brackets feel effortlessly modern, like they've been designed to disappear into the background while still holding everything together. The side-angle view traces the gate's motion through the sun-dappled air, and the soft shadows along the wall and the greenery give the approach a quiet rhythm, as if each step feels just a little more intentional and calm. Arriving at this grand driveway entrance, the thick dark walnut gate and tall stone pillars feel like a quiet statement of arrival, the kind of threshold that makes you pause and take a breath. The evenly spaced olive trees and the smooth, pale driveway stretch out under the soft daylight, and the way the gate closes firmly yet gently makes the whole space feel protected, open, and welcoming at once. That close-up at the corner of this light oak gate feels like noticing a quiet moment of harmony. The smooth grain of the wood, the crisp line of the concrete cap, and the reflective strip of black metal all meet in a soft, balanced composition. The late morning sun drapes everything in a gentle glow, and the narrow gravel strip and tiny succulent planter add a touch of life and texture, making the entrance feel both carefully designed and quietly, warmly human.